Ryan Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Our large project this week, we're doing external cleaning at Merlion Cove in Bigger Waters. Scope of works for this job include softwash clean of all buildings. With a footprint of over 4,200 square metres and 3 level buildings, all cleaning will be performed from the ground utilising our petrol powered softwash systems. Our professional cleaning technicians and equipment were able to handle this job with ease. As always, we utilise low pressure, high flow equipment along with specialty soaps and cleaning agents to wash away the mould, dirt and grime. We do it this way to ensure the mould and dirt is cleaned away whilst preserving the exterior of the property. High pressure cleaning should never be used on exterior building facades. During this project, we were focused on cleaning away the mould, mildew and dirt from the building walls and balcony ledges. In 2 days, we were able to transform Merlion Cove Apartments and completely restore the curb appeal and vibrancy to its exterior. We're here for your exterior cleaning needs. Rest assured, you'll be dealing with trained technicians, including the business owners. We use professional equipment, processes to achieve outstanding results every time. Manager, there's no job too large. Reach out to us for a free proposal. Contact details below.